Hey guys, I just want to pop in here and say that I'm sorry that the microphone sounds like that. I just got it, so I'm still learning it. Okay, enjoy.
Hi friends! Welcome to my new channel. If you came from my other channel, then you know that I do a lot of children videos. This mainly geared towards my kids, and they love that. But I need a grown-up channel for myself and for all of my projects that I'm doing, so this is why I'm creating this channel. My main goal is to have everything in my house have its own place, just so that I can put everything back easily at the end of the night and not have to stress or worry about cleaning or anything. So a little bit about me. I am a mom to 3 boys. I'm a dance teacher. I am a collector who would like to be a minimalist. I am a struggling gentle parenter. Yeah, my little one's right next to me, so I'm sure you can hear him. This is just going to be the channel where I show you guys how I dig deep and clean and go through all my stuff and donate a lot of stuff, because I really do find that to be exciting and fun, but it comes with a lot of attachments, and it's a process, and I'm willing to go through it because I like how I feel when everything is clean. So my family of 5, we currently live in a 2-bedroom apartment. With that and my habit of collecting things and having 3 boys with all their toys and all their activities, it just gets really messy really quick here. And I don't like constantly cleaning. Like, that's not fun for me. Sometimes it just feels like all I do is clean and I get nowhere at the end of the day, and I get so unmotivated. But I know that if I go through my things and actually eliminate what I don't need, then my life would be so much easier. So as a child growing up, my mom worked 3 jobs to take care of us. When she would come home, that was her place of relaxation. So our house was a mess, and that's okay. I think that I have taken those bad habits along with me as an adult, and I don't want to pass that on to my children too. So my goal is to not only clean for myself, but to also clean and to teach my kids that living an organized life is very possible. If you enjoy cleaning videos and time-lapse style videos, please subscribe, and you can do this alongside me. If you guys have any tips or tricks, or if I'm doing something the long way and you know a shorter way of doing it, let me know in the comments, please. I'm all about doing things fast and easy. I am also doing a lot of other projects on the side, which I'm going to document on this channel as well. So this is just my adult channel. All right, no kid stuff on this, unless they're in the video like right now. Love you. Oh, before I go, I do have a goal for the end of the year. So by the end of December of 2024, I want to have 5,000 subscribers. So if you enjoy anything that I just talked about, or can relate to anything that I have been talking about today, please join me. Subscribe to my channel. Talk to me, please. I am a lonely mother. Talk to me in the comments. I need friends. Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you later.